Let's see how to use the accessibility checker in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, the accessibility checker is a tool in Microsoft Word which shows how accessible the document is. And to access that, first click on the File tab. Now click on Info and look for Inspect Document right here. Check for issues, and you will see the option to check the accessibility of the document. And as you can see, this window will pop up on the right, which says Accessibility Assistant, which will determine whether it is hard to read based on the contrast, or to check if any pictures or illustrations are missing any text, as well as table headers or merged or split cells, as well as the document structure. So if you have headings or if your headings are properly set in your document. And lastly, it will also show if the document has restricted access or is free to access for everyone. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.